This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So let's start with step 3. So here we are going to solve one more loan amortization. Where here we can see the loan amount is 1,20,000. Rate of interest is 12%. Incur is 5 years, and I need to calculate the EMI, which is compounded monthly. So could you please guide me with how to calculate the EMI? What is the
PMT
Yes, very good. Open the parenthesis. Then rate. What is the rate?
12%
Very good.
divided by 12.
12% divided by 12, comma. Now enter. Number of years is
5.
5 into
5
12.
multiplied by 12. So now my PV is present value. What I am getting is 1,20,000.
It's 12 lakh.
Yeah, 12 lakhs. Sorry. 12 lakh. So now future value, I don't know, because I need to calculate by the end of the period, 5 years, what is the amount that will be remaining. So future value, I don't know. And here I'm calculating it for end of the period. Okay. So I'll select this. I'll close the parenthesis, enter. So the EMI, what I'm going to pay is 26,693, which is going out of my pocket. Okay. So let's start with the first calculation is equal to. So what is the amount that I'm going, it is the beginning of my loan is, what is the loan amount? It is 12 lakh.
12.
Yeah, 12 lakh. Okay. So enter. So here EMI, what I am paying. So how should I put the EMI over here, which is in negative?
Is equal to B ABS.
What is that ABS stands for? Absolute function, which will convert the negative into the positive value. Open the parenthesis and select this EMI value. Close the parenthesis, enter. So here I have got it in decimal. If you want, you can keep it like that, or you can remove it. So for better understanding, I'll just remove this. Okay. So this is my EMI amount, which I am paying it. Okay. So now I need to calculate the interest. So how am I going to calculate the interest? Please guide. Girls, 12 lakh into 12%
12.
divided by 12. Okay.
Yes,
Interest,
ma'am.
it is compounded monthly. So interest will be 12,000. So now principal amount, what is the principal amount that I am paying? When I remove the interest, that will be EMI minus the interest value. So it is 14,693. Okay, is equal to beginning of the loan amount minus principal amount. So how much is the amount that is remaining? It will be 1 lakh, sorry, 11 lakh 85,000. So now here, what will be my business, beginning loan in the second month?
Ma'am, it will be the end loan.
Yes, very good. So I'll select this. So this is my beginning loan. So from here, I'll just double click on it. Okay, my formula is implemented. So here EMI. So every month the EMI is going to remain the same. Is equal to EMI. Okay. So this one also I'll select it and double click. So EMI, it is going to remain the same till the last. So now I need to calculate the interest, that will be is equal to this amount into 12% divided by 12. Okay. So here what I'll do is, so I'll just make it I'll remove the decimals and I'll just double click. Okay, EMI is also calculated. Now principal. Principal, what is the amount? So it is EMI minus interest. Okay, so here also I'm going to just double click it. Okay. Okay, now here I need to see what is the end loan. So that will be this one minus this value. Done. So I'll just come here, double click. So by the end of my here, the value should be 0. Got it? So anyone were getting the balance as any other amount rather than 0? If you are getting 0 means your calculation was correct. You want me to show it once again? Girls? Girls, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you people will try.
Yes, ma'am.
In the meantime, I'll share the income statements, financial statements format and notes and all to the WhatsApp group. So once you have done, you can download it and we'll start with the financial statement. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So please try in the meantime. See, by the end of the period, you should get it as 0. Last value should be 0. Then your calculation is correct. Anything you are not able to get it or something, please do let me know. I'll explain it once again.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
So PMT I need to calculate. Open the parenthesis. So first is rate. Rate will be 12% divided by 12 months, which is compounded monthly. Compounded monthly means for 12 months I need to calculate. Now N per. N per is number of years they have given is 5 years into 12. Okay. Then, so how much loan I am getting it? So it is 12 lakh. So 12 lakh is the loan amount what I am getting. So future value, I don't know. I need to calculate. So here I am looking for end of period means after that 5 years, what will be remaining? Okay. So I'll close with 0. So my PMT is 26,693. Okay. This is every month which I am paying. So that is why it is showing in negative. So now beginning of the loan is equal to, it is 12 lakh. 12 lakh and the EMI what I'm paying is, I wanted it to be shown in positive. That means plus sign. So I'll be using abs function which will convert the value, negative value into positive value. So this is my EMI what I'm going to pay. So I need to calculate the interest is equal to, so what is the beginning of my loan amount? 12 lakh. So 12 lakh into what is the interest rate? That is 12% divided by 12. Girls, please mute. Who is that playing the music? Please mute. So now I wanted to check for my principal amount. What is the principal amount I have paid? So EMI minus interest. So that is equal to EMI minus the interest amount. So this is my principal amount what I am paying is equal to end loan. So I will take the beginning loan minus the principal amount what I have paid. So that will be this. So first one everybody calculated. First month calculation is done. Please do it. Calculate the EMI and the first month calculation, do it. So end loan you should get this value. Girls, done? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, so next month, what will be the beginning of the loan amount? Is it 12 lakh? Girls,
No, ma'am.
It's
It's the end
ma'am.
loan.
end loan of the first month. Enter. So once I come here, I'll click here and I'll click on the bill series. Okay. Second month I'll come. I wanted to calculate the. I will take the same EMI because EMI is going to remain the same. I'll come and click on this bill series. Okay, I'll just calculate here. So EMI will be this amount into 12% divided by 12. So I'll just come here and double click. No, sorry. EMI amount is going to remain the same. Here I'll enter the value 26,693.34. See here, what I have done is, when I'm giving it directly, it is taking in a wrong way. So here I'll take it as is equal to as, open the parenthesis and select the cell. Okay, EMI cell, I'll select it. Got it? Girls? Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
So you have to just calculate the second month and then just double click one by one. Once you have finished this, click on the fill series, the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So second month, if you calculate and do the fill series, your values will be filled automatically, wherein at the end of the period, you will be having 0. Once you have cleared the amount, loan amount. Done with this? Shall we go to the income statement? Sorry, financial statement. We'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Just open up with the financial statement template. Once everybody downloaded the file,
Yes, ma'am.
then let's start with the financial statement. So what is a financial statement?
Ma'am, it is a written record which shows the financial performance of a company.
Yes, very good. So it is a record which shows all the incomings and outgoings of the business or a company, isn't it? So here it includes 3 important statements in it. So first one is income statement, second one is balance sheet, and third one is cash flow statement. I have given you the format. I have shared the format, how the income statement will operate, how the balance sheet will operate, and how the cash flow statement will operate. Okay. So when we are talking about the financial statement, so what and all it talks about? What are the things that it mainly covers up with?
From sales, purchase,
Hmm?
stock,
Yes.
direct expenses, indirect expenses.
Hmm. So, okay, when we are
Tax.
talking about the, yeah, very good. So here, when we are talking about the financial statement, it will give the detailed information related to the company, like what are the returns on the investment that the company is going to get. So return on investments means shows the company's overall performance. Okay. So next one is the risk. It is an uncertainty which is associated with the future transactions. Means the income, the financial statement, it covers up with the different aspects of the business. Okay, so these are few of the things which will be concentrated in the most. So financial flexibility, it will be shown of the company, where it will show the firm's adaptability to the new variations or changes that are being involved in the business. And what is the operating capability of the business? Means it is the firm's ability to maintain different level of operations, like what are the different aspects that will be involved in the business in order to see the growth, isn't it? So what are the things they are adding it up? So these are just few things which will be covered up in the financial statements. Okay, so here first we are coming for income statement. So income statement means what it is. Income statement means, in general terms only, let's discuss. Let's not get too deep into accounts and all. So
Mom,
income
it's maybe
statement.
the income of the company.
Yes, very good. So income means the amount, the money that is coming into the business, isn't it? So income is nothing but whatever the cash inflow it is happening. So here when you look at the income statement, here first we talk about the revenue. So revenue, what is revenue? So how do you tell what is revenue is?
Ma'am, total amount of income.
Yeah, total amount of income. So let's discuss how it will be calculated. So here the sales revenue, whatever it is happening. Then we have the COGS. What is the COGS is?
Cost of goods sold.
Cost of goods sold means the amount that is income to the purchase of the goods that are sold, isn't it? So operating expenses. So when the business is taking place, there are certain things which I have to make the expenses, like advertisement I'll be paying, commission, interest, so maintenance, rent, salaries, wages, utilities, all those things are called as operating expenses. So then the calculation will be followed up, isn't it? So I'll explain you it with an example to understand it better. So first we will take as a purchase that is happening. So purchase, we'll tell it as example 1. So purchase here I'm going to show the quantity, what I'm purchasing, the rate, and the total amount. Okay. So total amount. So purchase. Now just imagine that I am purchasing 50 numbers. It can be anything, like I'm purchasing books. Okay. books I am purchasing. So the quantity is 50. And the rate what I am spending to purchase is one book cost 100 rupees. Okay. So the total amount will be is equal to 50 into 100. So that is 5,000 rupees, isn't it? So sales. So now then I'm making the sales where I'm selling out of 50 books, I'm selling 30 books, and the cost of per book I'm selling is 200. So now what will be my sale price? That will be 30 into the selling price, isn't it? So now the revenue, what will be happening? So revenue will be, so purchase, so revenue, how will be calculating it? That is the sale price, isn't it? So here, now in order to calculate that, I'll be doing my COGS. That is cost of goods sold. So how much quantity I have sold?
In 30.
Yes, very good. So I have sold 30 books. So now for this 30 books, what is the cost I have incurred? Means how much amount I have paid? Is it 200 or 100?
100,
100.
ma'am.
Yes, so that is 100. Means the items that I have sold is books, 30 books I have sold at the rate. So what is the purchase rate I have paid is 100. So here COGS will be is equal to 30 into 100. So that is 3,000. Now my gross profit. My gross profit will be, so revenue minus 3,000. So that is COGS. So this will be my gross profit. So understood with this? So this will happen when there is one particular rate what I have purchased. Okay. So it will be taking only one value, that whatever it is there. So it will be making the sales, and here I'll come to know the gross profit. So understood with this example? You want me to explain it once again?
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. So here I am showing one more example, that is example 2. So the same way only, I'll just take these things. So purchase. So here I'm going to make the purchase. So purchase, I'll make 50 books where the rate is 100. So then the total amount is equal to 50 into 100. That is 5,000. So now I'm making one more time purchase. Okay. So here purchase, this is purchase 1. So this will be purchase 2. So here I am purchasing the book once again, 30 books I am purchasing, and here I am purchasing the book at 150 rupees per book is equal to 30 into 150. So the cost of the second time is 4,500 what I have. So now sales, I am making the sales of 40 books. Okay. So now I'm selling the books at 250. So here the amount I'm getting from the sales is sales 40 into 250. So this is my amount. Yeah. So now revenue. So revenue, how much I'm getting? That is the sale amount. Okay. So now tell me how much my COGS will be. So sales 40 books, I'm doing the sales. So what amount should I take? Either I should take it 100 or 150. First one, it was very clear because only one time purchase has happened, so I'm directly taking it as 100. But when I'm purchasing it twice with different rates, so first time when I'm purchasing, the cost of the books was 100 per book. Second time when I'm purchasing, the cost of book is 150. So here I'll be taking the average amount. Okay, so I'll take average and I'll select this two. Okay, so in this two, what is the average amount? That value I am going to take in order to calculate my COGS. Okay, is equal to 40 into 125. So this is my COGS. So now tell me what will be my gross profit. So gross profit will be
Revenue minus COGS.
revenue minus COGS. This becomes my gross profit. So you understood till here. So how the calculation of revenue and COGS will be done? Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
Yes.
let's see the format of how the income statement will be done. Okay, so now on this we are having the operating expenses, that is OPEX. Okay, so OPEX is nothing but the operating expenses. So here I'll tell the operating expenses will happen till for 2000 rupees. Okay, then I have my EBITDA. So what is that EBIT? EBITDA is
Earning before
earning before interest, tax and
interest and tax.
depreciation and amortization. See here you can see. So the operating expenses, whatever it is there in the format, I am telling it is 2000 rupees. So now I have to calculate the EBITDA, that is income before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization. So here I am telling it has how much amount it is. So is equal to 5000 minus the OPEX, that is gross profit minus the operating expenses will become my EBITDA. Okay. So here I will make it colored so that we can know. So this is my gross profit. So next I'll be calculating the depreciation. So under EBITDA there is depreciation that is happening. What is depreciation?
Ma'am, reduction in the value of asset.
Oh, very good. So it is 200 rupees. Okay. So now once I calculate the depreciation, so what will be remaining here? It will be EBIT. Okay. So EBIT will be is equal to 3000 minus depreciation. So depreciation here I am giving it as 200. So 2800. Okay. So next after EBIT, so interest. So interest paid. So interest paid, I am paying some 400 rupees. Okay. So now interest I am paying 400 means, so it will be EBT, that is earning before tax. So it will be is equal to 2800 minus, randomly I am giving the value girls, it will be 2400. Okay. So now it is earning before tax. So now I am telling that tax IT expenses, that is tax, what I am paying. So tax, I will tell it as 20%. So it will be is equal to 2400 into 20%. It is 480, isn't it? So now what will be remaining for me? It will be EAT, that is earning after tax, is equal to, so 2400 minus 480. So this is my earning after tax, isn't it? So with general, this one random values have calculated. Okay, so how the purchase is going to happen? Purchase sales is happening, revenue, and how the COGS will be calculated here. So what will be the gross profit on that? How the OPEX will be calculated? So this one with random values. Okay, so here gross profit, here we are showed it has 5,000. So now I wanted to show you in one more aspect, that is 5,000. Okay, that is my gross profit. So here I'll tell my OPEX is 4,000 means. So whenever there is a loss, so here you are getting the profit, that is earning after tax. So after spending all the amounts, everything, this is the value what you are getting. So if it is in a loss, how the calculation will be done? So here I'll tell it has 5,000 and my OPEX is 4,000. Enter. So what will be my EBITDA? That will be gross profit minus the OPEX. So it is 1,000 rupees. So what will be my depreciation? So if I tell my depreciation is 500. So here my EBIT will be 1,000 minus 500. Okay. So now just imagine that I am paying the interest. Interest is minus 600. So here is equal to 500 minus this value. Sorry. Open this one with the bracket. $600 minus out of 600, if it is minus means subtracted means we'll get it as 100. That will be minus 100, isn't it? So this will be my loss. So when there is there is a loss, how will be calculating the tax? So now when I'm showing my company, is in loss. So here it will be stopped earning before tax only. Okay, so when there is an income that is happening, so it will be continued and you will be able to calculate the EAT, that is earning after tax. Okay, so this is one scenario where I am showing that if it is in profit, and this is another scenario where I am telling that it is if it is in loss. So understood with this? With random values I have given it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's go to the statements, income statement. So anyone else is having a doubt in this, how the income statement will be calculated with the random values I have shown it? So this is the format, how the income statement will be followed. What about the other people? Only one person is answering me. So if you are getting confused over here, once we start up with our income statement, you people will be able to understand it better. Shall we start with the income statement?
Yes,
So the one
ma'am.
who is attending, what's your name, ma'am?
Ma'am, Aditi Gupta.
Aditi. Okay. So apart from Aditi, no one else is attentive in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, sir.
We are attentive,
Is it?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. I thought that you told yes because we are not attentive in the class. Okay. Let's start with the income statement. So once we start up with, I hope you people will understand it better. So I have shared you the notes also. You can just go through it. So as one class got cancelled due to this one network issues from my end. So that is why I'm not going too depth into explaining the notes. Just go through it. I have explained it randomly with random values. Hope you people have understood. So we just try out with the income statement. I want everyone to open up with income statement exercise. Is everyone able to download the file?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So open up with first income statement. This is Aditi who is answering.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm taking class only for Aditi then. Is it girls? Is the class is going on
We
only
are
for
here,
Aditi?
ma'am.
Then you should be attentive in the class. No, you should respond. Then only I'll come to know that girls are there. I know you had a long day. It is difficult only. You'll be feeling sleepy, tired, everything. Hardly half an hour more. You'll finish it up. Okay. But if you are responsive, asking the question and giving the answers and all, I will also feel interested to explain. Okay, let's start with the first income statement.
Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. What about others? So how many people, how many of you are attending the class? So all the 17 girls are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone are there, but everyone are in sleepy mode. Huh? Okay, everyone opened with your income statement exercise.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Let's start. No response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. So here, company ABC, where number of pens sold was 800 numbers at the rate of 200 per pen. Initially, the company ABC had purchased 500 pens at a price of 50 rupees. Additional 400 pens at a price of 50 rupees. So here, there are 2 times the purchase has happened. Okay. So to execute the order, the company ABC, however, incurred the expenses like rent at rupees 2,000, salary at the rate of 5,000, marketing expenses at the rate of 3,000 to run this business. ABC company purchased a car worth rupees 2 lakh through loan at a rate of 8% and expected life of the car is 10 years. Tax to be paid is 30%. Find the net income. So generally they have given details related to one company. So we have to create the income statement for this. Okay. So here we will do it. So you people will guide me how it has to be done. Okay. If you are having the doubt, I will do it. So sales, how much it has happened. So just see the number of pens sold. So we have sold 800 numbers. So here sales, how much quantity it has been sold. So here I
800.
put it as quantity 800. So at the rate of, what is the rate?
200.
200 rupees, ma'am.
So 200
200
rupees.
rupees, ma'am.
Yes. So as the sale has happened only once or twice. So here we have purchased. So purchase has happened 2 times, but the sale has happened only 1 time. So here I need to calculate the sale amount is equal to, so how much quantity I have sold? 800 numbers into, at what rate? 200. Enter. So my sales is 1,60,000. So now I need to calculate COGS on this. Okay. So before I calculate the COGS, let's see what is the purchase that has happened. So purchase has happened 2 times. Purchase 1. So tell me the details of purchase 1. So how many pens I have purchased? Look at the question.
500.
So 500. And at what rate I have purchased?
50
50
rupees.
rupees.
50 rupees. The second time I have purchased. So purchase 2. So here how many number of pens I bought it for the second time?
400.
400.
400. Very good. So now this time at what rate I have bought it?
50
50
rupees.
rupees.
50 rupees. So here, do I need to do my average or I can take my value directly?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
directly
can you
because
take
it
it
is the
directly?
same.
Okay, COGS will be, so COGS, what value I should take? Either 800 or purchase 1,500 or purchase 400. What should be taken here to calculate the COGS?
800.
800, that is quantity sold. So now here I will take the value. So here purchase 1, purchase 2, both I have paid 50 rupees per pen. Okay. So here I need to calculate my COGS. That will be is equal to 800 into how much I should take, girls? What's the purchase rate? Cost price?
50
50
rupees.
rupees.
So how much is my COGS? That is 40,000. So I need to calculate my gross profit now is equal to sales minus COGS. So this is my gross profit. Okay. So now I have to calculate the OPEX, that is operating expenses that has happened. So how much rent I have paid?
2,000.
Is equal to 2,000 rupees rent I have paid. So salary
5,000.
is equal to 5,000. Very good. So ME is nothing but marketing expenses. How much is my marketing expenses?
3,000.
3,000.
Is equal to 3,000. Very good. So now I need to see how much is my total OPEX. So is equal to sum, open the parenthesis and select this three. That is rent, salary and marketing expenses. So it is 10,000. Now in order to calculate my EBITDA, so what I need to do is equal to, tell me girls, just now I have explained you people. To calculate EBITDA, It is gross profit minus total OPEX. So it is 1,10,000 rupees is my EBITDA. Okay. So here I'll put it EBIT EBITDA is equal to gross profit minus total OPEX. OPEX is nothing but total operating expenses. So now what is the depreciation? So here you can see ABC company purchased a car worth 2 lakh rupees through loan, and there is at the rate of 8% and expected life of the car is 10 years. So I need to show the depreciation on the car. So how am I going to do? Is equal to 2 lakh into, sorry, divided by 10. So what is the depreciation?
20,000.
20,000. So 20,000, how I calculated means 2 lakh divided by number of years. So that is what the value of the car divided by number of years they have given. So that is 20,000. So now EBIT, that is earning before interest and tax. So is equal to EBITDA minus my depreciation. So this is my EBIT. Okay. So now they are telling that I have paid the interest rate. So on which one I have paid the interest?
Car loan.
Yes, on the car loan I have paid 8% of interest. So is equal to 2 lakh into 8%. So it is 16,000. So earning before tax will be is equal to EBIT minus interest. So EBT, that is earning before tax, is 74,000. Now what is the amount of tax I am paying? What's the percentage of tax?
30%.
30.
30 or 50? It is 30%. So it will be paid on earning before tax, means the 74,000. On this I'll be paying the 30% of tax. Okay, so that is 22,200. Okay, so profit after tax is equal to EBT minus tax amount. So this will be my net income or PAT, that is profit after tax. So I want you people to try this out. If you are having any doubts, please do tell. So I'll give you 5 minutes of time. 5 minutes will be sufficient, I believe. Girls,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
people will do it? Okay. Please do it. If you are having any doubt, please do tell. I'll explain it. Girls, done? Any doubt? If you're not getting something, please do tell. I'll explain it. Is everyone able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, done.
What about others? So shall we do the income statement too? Girls, anybody is finding it difficult or got held up anywhere, please do tell. I'll explain it. If everyone is done, we'll go to income statement too.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone got the answer same, 51,800.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's go to income statement two. Okay, so here prepare a multi-step income statement for the clothing retailer for the year December 31st, 2013. So here you people have to tell me what it has to be done. So I'll just do whatever you are telling because I don't know. So now tell me what will be my sales. Girls, I am waiting for your answer.
32,10,000.
So here, whatever the value is there, I'll just put is equal to, and I'll select this. Okay, that is 32 lakh 10,000. Okay, so now what is the COGS? Is equal to, so here I have mentioned COGS is nothing but opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. So here, what is my opening stock is
2,56,000.
56,000.
that is my beginning inventory. So plus what is my purchase that I have done?
24 lakh
24,25,000.
Very good. So that is material purchased. Now I need to minus my closing stock. So what is the closing stock? That is ending inventory. Enter. So it is 24 lakh 33,000. Okay. So now what is my gross profit?
Sales minus cost of goods sold.
Very good. Is equal to sales minus COGS. Enter. So it is 77. Okay. It is 7,77,000. So now what are my operating expenses? So what is R&D expense?
35,000.
Research and
Yes, very good. It is 35,000. Enter. So repairs and maintenance.
22,000.
Very good. 22,000. So salaries.
2,40,000.
Is equal to 2,40,000. I'm just selecting directly the cells, girls. Don't get confused. So lease payment.
lakh 52,000.
Very good. That is 52,000. So now advertising expenses.
68,000, ma'am.
68,000. Very good. So now total OPEX is equal to sum, open the parenthesis and select the range. Close the parenthesis. So it is 4,17,000. So what is the EBITDA here?
Gross
Gross
profit minus
profit
OPEX.
total of
Yes. Gross profit minus total OPEX. Enter. So that is 3,60,000. Now to find my depreciation. So depreciation, what is the value? What is the amount?
78,000.
Yes, very good. It is 78,000. So now my EBIT will be
EBITDA minus depreciation.
very good. EBITDA minus depreciation, that is 2,82,000. So how much interest I am paying now?
64,000.
Yes, correct. It is 64,000. Now what is my earning before tax?
EBIT minus interest, ma'am.
EBIT minus interest is my earning before tax. So now what is the tax that I am paying?
51,000.
51,000.
Is equal to 51,000. So now what is my profit after tax?
EBT minus tax.
Earning before tax.
Yes, very good. So EBT minus earning, so the tax amount, that is 1,67,000. So I'll give you 5 minutes of time. In the meantime, you just do this. So I'll take your attendance. Saida, if anybody is not
Present,
able
ma'am.
to communicate, so you can just put in a message that you are present. Trisha, Trisha,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Harina,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Nivedita R, Nivedita R. Okay. Janet, Janet is present. Girls, if you have any issues with your audio, please put in the message. Janet, Sirisha,
Present, ma'am.
Pooja,
Present, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Dipti. Yes, ma'am. Who's this?
I'm Janet. I'm present, ma'am.
And
I could not
okay.
unmute.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so
So
much.
Pooja is present,
Dipti,
ma'am.
Pooja Shetty, yeah, I have marked present. Dipti,
Present, ma'am.
Mansi, Mansi, Achisha, Archisha, Tanisha,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya, 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 Pooja,
Present, ma'am.
Prabjot,
Present, ma'am.
Bhumika,
Present, ma'am.
Aditi,
Present, ma'am.
Triveda,
Present, ma'am.
what about Shreya, Mansi and Nivedita? So names are
Ma'am,
being
I'm
shown
present,
here.
ma'am. Nivedita.
Okay. So what about Mansi? So if you are not able to answer, at least put it in the chat box that we are present. If you are just connected, I cannot mark it as present. I want the response.
Ma'am, Shreya present, ma'am.
Mansi, Shreya. Shreya, I have marked present. Okay. So what about Mansi? Mansi Jain. Mansi, at least if you are not able to connect with your audio, at least give the response through the chat. Then only I can mark you present. Mansi. Okay, did you people try, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try it out, try it out. I'll give you some more time to do it. So tomorrow's assignment will be income statement 3. Okay, so I want you people to try it. If you are not getting, we will do it. So anyhow, we will do it. Either you are getting it or not getting it, I'll explain you. But before that, I wanted you people to give a try. Okay, income statement 3.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
just do this one and tell me if you are getting the PAT, that is profit after tax, as 1,67,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is getting 1,67,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one, we will finish it up. This one, third one, income statement. I will do it tomorrow. Okay, let first everyone finish with this. Let me not hurry you people. Only 2 people have done. What about the others?
Done, ma'am.
What is the answer you people are getting it?
1,67,000.
So I hope this is the same person who told me before.
Yes, ma'am. 1,67,000.
Okay, shall we go for the income statement 3?
Yes,
Or we'll
ma'am.
do it tomorrow? We'll do it tomorrow or how? I wanted you people to give it a try. Okay, any doubt in income statement 1 and 2?
No, ma'am.
Just check and let me know. Anyone who had not followed it? Any doubts if you have how the calculation was done? Any doubt, girls? Yeah, income statement 1 and income statement 2. I wanted you people to try out with income statement 3. So tomorrow we'll calculate income statement 3 and do it. Okay. So any doubt in income statement 1 and 2 also, just go through it, try to do it once again. If you are having any doubt, please get it clarified. So tomorrow we'll finish up with income statement and we'll start up with balance sheet. Okay. Thank you, girls.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
See
ma'am.
you all tomorrow. Bye. Good night.